Guys, I got some new bags and I'm so excited. I've already opened one because, you know, I got too excited and then I was about to go install it and then I was like, hey, you know what? I might as well just throw this into a video. So thank you, Viking Bags. They sent out some Darkin bags for me. I currently have their Patriot throwover bags, which are hard mounted onto my 24 Lowrider S. Super simple install for that. I believe that this install is going to be fairly simple. It's probably going to be faster than hard mounting my Patriot bags, just because there's, you know, the hard mount and then you have to mount the bags to the hard mount and all that stuff. So that kind of took like maybe about 25-30 minutes or so. Whereas these, they come with the docking stations, kind of like the Holdfast quick detach system that Harley does for their Sissy Bars. Same concept, just for these bags. So hopefully it's going to be a straightforward concept. But anyway, they take really good care of the packaging with their bags. So, I mean, these are key lockable. So of course they include the keys, which is nice. I want to say that all of my hardware is in the other bag that's outside. So we'll take a look at that as soon as we get to that point. After getting some scissors to open up these bags, let's see what we got here. We got some nice bubble wrap to protect the bags and the paint. I feel like I'm gonna cut myself there. Who cuts themselves with scissors? Apparently I will. Oh, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Oh yeah, this video is also going to be featuring the polar bear in the background. My kid's polar bear. It's her little dinner buddy sometimes. Ooh, that's nice. So not only do they wrap it in bubble wrap, they give you a soft felt to go around the bag. Nice. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. Yo, check that out. That is clean. That is going to look phenomenal on the bike. I chose these bags just because I don't feel the need to relocate my lights. I have LED inserts in there. They work perfectly fine. Why am I going to spend the extra money for something that already works? So I didn't want to have to relocate it, so they have these cutouts right here on these bags, so that's nice. So no like custom installs needed or anything like that. Let's see how these go. That opens. Ah, these are locked. They come locked from the factory. Let's check this out real quick. Ooh. Make sure to throw away your trash. I sure did that. Good thing it wasn't on the paint. So let's see. Okay. Oh, okay, that's locked. So they're not locked. That's unlocked. Ah, okay. Ooh. Oh, check that out. Okay. So that's the locking mechanism for once it's on the docking stations, or the docking hardware. That's cool. So it comes with a little cover so you don't scratch it up. That's nice. Attention to details, my friends. Okay, so let's get this outside and start the install, because that's going to be great. And it does fit with, oh shoot, my Sissy Bar. with that. So if you want to like hard mount your Patriots that you currently have, just do this in reverse, I suppose. Locking bracket holds the Velcro strap here, keeps everything kind of locked in place. Bottom straps feed through the bottom, again, locks it in place. And then you just gotta unfeed it through here. And voila, there is the hard mount. That is a simple process as well. I have Allen keys. I have a 1/4 inch and a 5/16, which I think the 1/4 inch might be incorrect. Let's see. It is incorrect. So I have 7/32. That's what those bolts are held on for. The larger one are going to be for the docking hardware. So I do have spacers right here, if you can see. I'm going to utilize those for my quick detach mounts right here. These are it. I've had the docking hardware on the bike previously, so I kind of know how to install it. Because I have that Sissy Bar, you will need those spacers so everything can mount up equally and correctly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen everything, and then we're gonna do one bolt at a time, just so there's no need to have somebody come hold the Sissy Bar and all that stuff. It can kind of be a pain. But this is gonna be the docking hardware. I'll show you how it gets put in together, how it gets put in, and we'll go from there. So that's loose. That's loose. Set that down. Hold your spacer, take that out. What I like to do is pull this out so it clears your light, and then I can just leave it down like that. I'm going to take that original spacer. I'm going to take the QD hardware and my larger Allen wrench. We're going to feed that in there. Let's go ahead and hand tighten that guy right there. Doesn't have to be stupid tight right now. We're going to tighten everything up here in a minute. I want to get everything all loose and taken off the bike. All right. That's coming out. That's out. Take that. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and try to get that fed through. There we go. And you know what I forgot? I forgot some Loctite. So instead of just unscrewing it and showing that to you, I'm just gonna cut that part out and I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of it. Give me a second. Okay, I've got the Loctite on there. I am tightening up the docking hardware. I mean, I'm not using torque specs or anything like that, but you know, should be self-explanatory. And let me go grab that other bag. Okay, I have the new bag right here. We're going to open that up. The docking hardware is going to be in here. The docking hardware is going to be already attached in here. So you just have to unlock it via this locking tab, take off the hardware, and then install it on the bike. But it's a simple install process. Make sure it all matches up. Seat it down. And okay, I finally got it on. Took some finagling trying to get it, you know, all lined up and locked in, but that looks fantastic. Look at that. That's the Darkin bag. It's got the cutouts for my lights. No modifications needed. That's the other one. And then that's the throwover Patriot. So I really enjoyed my Patriots. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them, but I wanted to go a different route, you know, with the hard bags and everything like that. And I think I made the best move. I mean, that looks phenomenal. Pretty much you just do everything that I just did right here on the other side, and voila, that's it. That's all you gotta do. So I didn't want to bore you guys with the install on this side, but it was the same thing as the other side, and yeah, this looks great, man. I am glad I went with this choice. Gives it more of a look that I'm going for, and there's quite a bit of room in these things, man. You just lift it up. I've got my clear visor. I've got towels on that side. Over here, I've got gloves, my balaclava. Inside here, there is a zipper pouch. I've got my registration, and plenty of room for just about anything else, whether it be, you know, detailing spray or whatever. I mean, drinks, whatever, you know, sandwiches. If you go to Subway, it can definitely fit a foot long. I had a foot-long Subway sandwich in the Patriots, and these are smaller, so food will definitely fit in here, you know. Overall, I am happy. So give Viking Bags a look, see if they have anything that, you know, you want from their website, whether they're hard bags, soft bags, quick mount, you know, permanently attached. They've got just about anything. They've got them for Harleys, Indians, Hondas. They've got quite a few options, man. Also, my Sissy Bar is from Viking Bag as well, which is really cool. This thing, you know, it flips up and down. I can stow it away and whatnot, but I keep it open because of the whole Insta 360 GTA look kind of thing. So yeah, but if you enjoy this install, if it helped in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, share this around, and you know, hopefully we can just keep the community going and grow with each other. I look forward to, you know, seeing you guys out there, and stay safe.